draw a diagonal. Suppose we have to draw a diagonal. So how can we draw a diagonal?
I don't know.
So don't know, you have to use this one. Can you see here? By using this one only we will make. Who can tell how we can make a diagonal of this rectangle? This one rectangle. So how can we make? Who can tell me? Laksh, you are old. Laksh, can you tell?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, how can we make a diagonal? How can,
Sir,
what is mean?
diagonal.
Yeah, we have to make a diagonal here. From here to here. So how can we do?
So we just have to change the coordinates, sir.
So tell me that coordinate I will write here.
Sir, sir, you can change that x2 and y2.
Yeah, x1, tell me the value. You tell the value I will write here. Yeah, tell any value, no problem. Anybody can tell. You tell anything, whatever you want. Nothing will happen.
30.
Okay, I'm writing here 30. Okay, next. So what happened? Nothing happened. So children, what is doubt here? You all know this x1 and y1. This coordinate, children, if this one clear to you all, this concept is clear to you all, you will be number one in mathematics. This SVG is completely mathematics, geometry. Okay, this one completely your math, geometry. So this one actually x1 and y1 means this one initial point of the line. X1 represents horizontal position and y1 vertical position. So what we have to do, we have to move up. So what we will do here, we will change this one, we will reduce to 0. Now it is coming here, our value is 30, so we will reduce this one to 0. So it will come here. Now it is here, but it has to come to here at this point. So how it will come? So we have to change this value and we have to write 200. But here it is coming here only. So how it will come here? So we have to change this x to value and let me write 300. So it will go automatically there. Can you see this diagonal? Now suppose we have to make a diagonal from here to here. So how can we do? Another diagonal of this rectangle. How can we do?
Sir, first we will take one more line and
Yeah,
sir,
yeah, tell me.
y2 value will be 0.
Y2 value will be 0. So I'm writing here Y2 value 0. Yeah. So now it is a straight line. It is coming here. So it's good. So we have to change this value. Now see, this is diagonal. Okay. So you can draw any line, any type of line by using this one. Okay. Now, Sweta, how can we change its color? How can we change color of this line?
Can I tell?
Yeah, anybody can tell.
Sir, we have to change the stroke.
Yeah, you have to change this stroke. So tell me any color name.
Red.
Black. So see, it will be
Red.
black color. Now, how we can change its thickness? How we can change its thickness?
So by
Thickness.
changing sir stroke width. Sir stroke
Stroke
width.
Yes,
with.
we have to
Stroke.
change this one, so we can change. Okay. Now I'm drawing this line making vertically straight. Okay. 150, 150. I am writing here y1 10 and this one. Can you see here? How we can make this rounded corner?
Sir,
Sir stroke
sir,
line
we
cap.
have to say, yes, sir,
Yes,
stroke.
here we have to change round. Very good. You all are smart. So now, who can tell? Avantika, can you tell
Yes
how
sir.
we can add animation in this line? How we can add animation in this line?
So first in the
So can
line we
I?
have to so first
Yeah.
in the line we have to add one ID of the line
Yes, very good. Excellent. So, okay,
and
I'm writing here ABC. Yeah.
and
Now,
then sir in and then we have to take the animation code
yes.
and in the ID we have to write the
Here,
ABC.
yeah, here we have to write HREF after this symbol, hashtag symbol, we have to write ABC. And attribute. What is attribute, children? What is attribute? What we will write here? So, children, all these names x1, y1, x2, y2, a stroke with a stroke line cap, opacity, all these are attribute name only. And you can use anyone. You can use anyone. So here, suppose I am writing first one and clicking on run, so you can see it will start moving. So here in animation, children, you can see this one attribute name, this one from, and this one to position means from to where it will go. So from to this one duration, and you can use here repeat count, and in this repeat count, children, you can write any number, suppose 5, 6, 10. So it will repeat 5 times. So once you are writing here 5, so it will repeat 5 times. And if you don't want to stop this one, so you can write indefinite. So can you see?
Excuse me sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, if we write repeat count, suppose 5, then after 5 time it will
It will-
automatically stop.
Yeah, you see here, I'm writing 5 times. Okay, let us see. Okay. First, second, third, fourth, and last one is the fifth. Stop. Clear meaning of this? But here,
Yes. Yes, sir.
suppose you are writing 0. Still, it will, here your animation will work one time. If you are writing 1 also, it will work one time. If you are not writing anything, still it will work one time. If you are writing 0, So for 0 also it will work one time. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So by using line, you can make here a small project. You can, by using this line also you can make project. So for project, what you have to do, you have to use your idea. So you can use your idea and you can make a small project by using this line also. So let us see here. Suppose here it is written black, and okay, let me write black only. Now suppose we have to change this black color. So can we change this black color? Can we change?
Yes, sir.
I'm not
Yes,
using
sir.
here. I'm not going to change from here. I'm going to change from this animation by using animation. And we
Sir,
can
in
use,
attribute name we can write the stroke
yeah.
color.
So we can use pink and we can use lime. So you can see here its color is changing now, pink to lime. Now children, suppose we have to use indefinite. Let me write, and here also let me write the same, so it will never stop. Now children, here you can see we have option, we can write two colors from to two. So how we can, suppose we have to use many colors, suppose we have to use 10 colors, so how can we use 10 colors here? So we can write here values, we can write here values and just write color name. So you can use now here. Let me write pink, lime, indigo, red, yellow, black, green, blue, violet. Okay. Now remove this one. This one not required. Two is not required here. Now, once you are using values and click on run, so you can see. Can you see all colors?
Yes, sir.
It
Yes,
is
Yes,
coming
sir.
out.
sir.
Yeah. So you can use many colors also. Okay. So this much clear to you all?
Yes, sir.
So can you all make some project by using line? So see here, I'm making one more here, just using copy paste, changing this ID. You can change ID like this also. AA. You can't children use one ID for, suppose you are using here for line this ABC. So you can't use this ABC for other line. Okay, this one here ID means identification, for this one used for identification of this particular encoding. You have to remember this, all these features. Suppose you are using ID, so you can use this ID only one time. Suppose this one line means in other line you can't use this ABC ID, but for animation purpose you can use this one because you are adding animation in this particular line only. Clear? So now see this one, our second code, and second code. Suppose I'm writing x2, so you can see here this line is moving like this. Okay, now suppose here you can make, you all use your idea and you can make. So can you make some project like this? Do you want this code? Do you want this code, children? Or you can write? Can you write? Okay, I'm sending this in chat message. You all can copy paste this. Okay. Now children, here let me explain one more thing to you all. Here we can write a stroke dash array also. So by using this stroke dash array, here you can create line like this. Suppose I am increasing this value, writing 25. So you can see this line. So you can create dash in line by using this one. And this one again attribute children. So you can use animation in this stroke dash array as well. So I am using here, just let me copy paste here in instead of x1, I am writing a stroke dash array, and here I am using, suppose it is written a stroke dash array 25, and I am using here 25 to 0. So let us see what will happen. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
So let me remove this
Yes,
one
sir.
line. So better you can see one line only. So see here. You can make this line like this. And here children, all these components means a stroke line cap, a stroke dash array, a stroke width, a stroke. So you are going to use in maximum elements also. Okay. So let us start our second element, and that element is rect. So see here, rect. This rect is a rect element, a rect tag. You can see here this one opening tag of rect, this one opening tag of rect, and all these are attribute here for rectangle. So you can create here a rectangle, just click, you can see here rectangle. So in a rectangle you can see this one x, this one y, this one width, height, a stroke width, fill. All these are attribute of a rect. So children, let us see what is meaning of this one. X is here. X represents its horizontal position of the rectangle. So let us change. Let me write here 10. So what will happen? You can see here it is moving left side. So you can write any value here. Suppose I am writing 200. So it will go right side, go on the right side. So we can use change our rect horizontal position by changing the value of x. Changing the value of x. So let us see what is meaning of this y. So children, this y, this one for its function is to control the vertical position of the rectangle. Okay. So let us change this one. Suppose I am writing here 20. So you can see it is going up. If I am writing here 150, so you can see it is going down. So you can change position of your rectangle anywhere inside this box, this container. Clear? Now,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
width and height. So how we can increase this one normal width and height of the rectangle? So we can increase, suppose I am increasing this size, writing here 150. So you can see here its size is 150. We can increase its height also. So suppose I am writing 100, you can see this 100. and we can change its position. Suppose we have to move up, so we can move up by changing the y value. Now this stroke is same as our line. Its purpose is control this our outline, boundary line. So let us write any color name. So suppose I am writing here yellow. So you can see here yellow color. If I am writing here green, so the boundary will be of green color. A stroke width, it's also same like your line. So I am writing here 10. You can see this one 10. So our rectangle is now like this. So here you can see this one. Fill is for inside color, children. So you can change this inside color also. So I am writing here yellow. So you can see it will be yellow. Clear? Now we can change here. Suppose I am writing here 10. Why I am writing 10? So you can see here this one on this side, and let me write here 10, so 80, and here let me write 180. So you can see this one, our blackboard. This is our blackboard. So we can create a blackboard also. We can change here color. So this rectangle is very, very important. So we can write here black, and we can write here green. So our blackboard color will be, it will be green color blackboard. You can see. Clear to you all?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
here, you can add a stroke dash array here also. So suppose I am writing here 10. So you can see STRO. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
You can make like this also. Now children, we can add animation also in this rect. So here in this SVG coding, why I am telling every time this one very powerful coding, because by using this SVG coding you can move, you can change, you can turn, you can do whatever you want in. You can add animation in each part of the shape, because you can see here this one rectangle, we have this side, we have this inside color, we have border color. So we can change everything we can add animation in each and everything of this rectangle. So let us see how we can add animation. Again we have to follow the same rule, and we can use here any id. You can use your name also, you can use some letter, text, and your numbers also. You can use anything whatever you want. Now let me write here ABC. So children, you have to see attributes of this rectangle. We don't have attribute of this x1 here. We have here x attribute. So we will write here this x attribute only. So let us see. See, can you see here?
Yes, sir.
So let me remove first this dash array and just see its meaning. Okay. Actually, here in a stroke dash array also, let me change this ID because all animation are working here. Okay. So can you see who here? Only this animation is working. I have changed, only added one animation here. So it is moving from left to right. Now, if I am changing this value here, writing 300 and here writing 0, so it will start moving from right to left. So you can move in any direction. Now, if I am writing here a stroke attribute name y, so it will start moving from here this one 200. Let me change this one 200. So you can see here it is moving from bottom to top. Now if we are changing this value 0 and writing here 200, so you can see it will start moving top to down. We can change with also. We can add animation in with also. So let me write here. I am writing 50 and here writing 280 because our width is 280 only. So see here, you can move like this. If I am writing here height, so you can see height is 180 here. So let me write 50 to 180. So you can see it will start moving like this. We can use a stroke also, same like line. So suppose I am writing here a stroke, let me change this one only. So you can see here, its border line is changing, border color is changing. We can use here fill now. Instead of a stroke, we can use fill. So you can see inside color is changing now. If you want to increase its speed, you can increase the speed also. Suppose I am writing 1 second, so it will start moving fast. If I am writing here, suppose 0.1 second, so let us see what will happen. Can you see? So
Yes, sir.
children, are you getting some idea? Are you getting some idea from this coding?
Yes, sir.
We can use here, children, a stroke dice array. So now you see here. So we can add animation in a stroke dice array also. So let me write 5 and change from 5 to 1. So you can see here, you can make like this also. So you have to use your idea and you can make anything whatever you want. You can make anything. Suppose let me write here 3 seconds. So you can see here how it is looking. So children, not only this, we have some more option. We can use Rx, and if suppose you are using Rx, so here corner is flat. So we can use rounded corner. We can make rounded corner. We can use here, suppose this one Rx, we can use Ry also. So let me write Ry and write 25. So children, this Rx and Ry, suppose I am changing this width, I am writing 150 for this width, and for height, if I am using only 100, okay, and let me change this one right 150, so it will come in center. It is going on that. Let me stop this animation completely. So what is width? Our width is 150. So 75. It will be 75. So it will come in center. Okay. And if we will put here, height is 150. So it will come in center. Okay. Now here, children, if suppose we are using 75 for Rx and 75 for Ry also, so you can see you can make ellipse. If we are increasing here 80 and 80, let us see what will happen. Nothing is happening. So let us use 100 and 100 and see what is happening. So Rx and Ry is maximum here. 70. Let me use 70. Okay. We will use 50-50. Rx and Ry. So how we will get a circle here? We can make circle with, let me change it 100. So can you see here? This one circle. You can make a circle also by using this rect. You can make this a square also by using this rect. We have circle here for circle, but we can make circle by using this rect also. So let us see here. Now I am adding animation here in this Rx. Okay, because Rx is also attribute name, and I am changing this Rx value. Suppose let me write 5, and here let me write 50, or here repeat count indefinite